Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this long dress. It's a long gown with open back and there's a rope on the neck. As you can see the back is a show back, open back dress, long dress. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. And this tutorial is just a simple tutorial that even if you don't know how to sew, you can sew by watching this tutorial. And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like my video. Drop your comments. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Let's go straight to the tutorial. I'll be making this dress with 3 yards. 3 yards. I'll use 1.5 for the front and 1.5 for the back. I've separated the front and the back, and now I'm going to cut the front first before I go to the back. I'm going to fold the front part into two, 1.5 yard. I'm going to fold it into two to cut the front. And I'm going to use the whole length. The whole length. The length is length 60. I'll be using the whole length. To begin my marking, I will on the folded part, I will come down by 3 inches. That is the neck. I want the neck to drop down a little. Then I'll connect it straight. I'll connect it straight to the end point. 3 inches. Then at the edge, I will measure the armhole. The armhole I'm working with is 9 inches. I'll measure 9 and I'll just cut it out on a straight line. I'm not covering anything, I'll just cut it straight. I'm not covering it, just cut it straight. And this is it. Then I'll go ahead and cut the neck. The middle part is the neckline. And I'll go ahead and cut it. I'll just connect it to where the armhole stopped. See how I'm cutting it. And this is all we have for the cutting for the front part. I'll go ahead and trim out the excesses. And after this, I'll go ahead and open it up, then fold it with 1/2 inch where I will insert the rope. I'll make sure that the space I will leave the rope will enter, will fit. And the armhole, I will still go ahead and fold it because that place is going to be open. I'll go ahead and fold it. And this is the rope I have. This is the rope I have. I have about one 1 yard, that is 36 inches in length, and I will go ahead and insert it in the case I made, like so. I will insert it in the case to gather the front. I'll go ahead and insert it like so till I get to the other end. And this is what I have. This is what I have for the front. And that is all for the front. And let's go to the back part. For the back, I will fold it 1.5 yards, I will fold it into two. Then I will determine where I want the half yard to, where I want the back part to start. I want it to start from 15 inches. That is where my back waistline is, 15 inches. That is where it's going to start. So I'm going to mark it and cut it off like so. I'll mark 15 inches. You can go ahead and add 1 inch for folding allowance. I'll go ahead and cut it. After cutting, I will go ahead and fold it. I will fold the edge so that I will insert my elastic. Fold it with 1 inch or half an inch so that I can insert my elastic. And after folding, I'll go ahead and insert my elastic. To insert my elastic, I will use my waist measurement. My waist measurement is 30. I will divide it by 2, making it 15. That 15, I will minus 7 inches from the elastic. So what I'm going to cut is 8 inches. That is what I will insert. I will insert 8 inches elastic on the waist. I will go ahead and insert the elastic into the casing that I made like so. I will insert it. At this point, if you're still watching, please subscribe, like, and drop your comments. Thank you. And I'll go ahead and stitch it down at the end and stitch it down at the other end. And after this is what I have. After gathering, this is what I have. Then I will bring the front part. I'll bring the front part and I will join the front and the back together like so. I will join the front and the back together like so. And this is what we have. And this is what we have. Open back dress, show back dress, long show back dress. You see how it is, see how it came out. Very simple to make. Very simple to make. Very simple to make. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section. Please subscribe and see you in my next tutorial. Thank you.